Do these things and make her wet, hot, and shuddering with pleasure. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to making a woman deeply desire you? Imagine, with the right approach, watching her become utterly captivated by your presence. Today, we delve into a timeless philosophy that holds the power to not only enhance your intimate life but also transform your interpersonal connections into something extraordinary. Welcome to the fascinating world of Stoicism. Often misunderstood as mere emotionlessness, true Stoicism is about mastering your desires and using wisdom to foster genuine relationships. Its teachings are surprisingly relevant when it comes to building sexual attraction, not through manipulation or fleeting tricks, but by cultivating deep, irresistible charm. In this video, I'll reveal 5 potent Stoic strategies to make a woman want you, intensely and sincerely. These aren't just tips, they're transformative insights that encourage profound, lasting connections. And if you're curious about exactly how to apply these insights to make her heart race and her body awaken with desire, then keep watching until the very end. Let's embark on this journey together and transform the way you engage with the women in your life. Self-control and confidence. In the realm of attraction and seduction, nothing quite compares to the allure of a man who embodies self-control. This isn't about suppressing desires or feigning disinterest. Rather, it's about mastering your impulses in a way that heightens your sexual magnetism. Stoicism teaches us that self-control is not merely a restraint but a deep understanding and management of one's desires and actions. Imagine the power in choosing when and how to express your sexual desires, rather than being unpredictably led by them. This mastery doesn't just make you more appealing, it makes you a centerpiece in the landscape of her fantasies. Self-control, according to Stoic philosophy, is about aligning your actions with your rational mind. When you demonstrate that you're not at the mercy of your lusts but are the master of them, you radiate a confidence that is profoundly sexy. This isn't the brash bravado often shown in movies. It's a quiet, unwavering confidence that speaks volumes in the language of intimacy. It tells a woman that you are capable of handling not just your desires, but also the intensity of a sexual connection with maturity and respect. This kind of confidence can be deeply enticing, making her feel both safe and wildly excited by the potential of your controlled passion. Moreover, when you exhibit Stoic self-control, you are showing that you are not easily swayed by external temptations or fleeting pleasures. This self-assurance is irresistible because it suggests a depth of character, a stability that is often lacking in fleeting romantic encounters. In the dance of seduction, where so many rush to the physical, your ability to pace the interaction, to build tension and desire without immediate gratification, creates a powerful sexual tension that is both intoxicating and irresistible. The Stoic confidence that arises from this virtue isn't about being unapproachable. Rather, it's about being selectively accessible. It enhances your allure, making your eventual intimate moments even more intense and fulfilling. When you finally choose to close the distance, it's not just an act of physical desire but a profound meeting of mind and body, steeped in the anticipation you've so skillfully cultivated. This strategic restraint makes the eventual culmination of your desire not just a release, but a celebration of connection and mutual respect. In essence, Stoic self-control teaches you to harness your desires and use them to build a magnetic presence that draws her in. It turns every glance, every touch, and every whisper into a deliberate act of seduction. By mastering this art, you become not just a man she desires, but a man she respects and deeply craves. The confidence you exude will make her heart race, her skin tingle, and her thoughts return to you again and again, longing for the depth and intensity only you can bring. Authentic communication. In the intricate dance of intimacy, the power of your words can unlock levels of connection that go beyond the physical. Stoicism, with its emphasis on virtue and authenticity, offers profound guidance on how to communicate your desires in a way that respects both you and your partner, enhancing not just emotional but also sexual connectivity. Let's delve into how honest, straightforward communication can bridge the gap between mere attraction and deep, fulfilling intimacy. Stoicism teaches us the value of being true to oneself and others. When it comes to intimate relationships, this means being clear and honest about your intentions and desires. It's about stripping away the games and the pretenses that often cloud romantic interactions. When you articulate your desires straightforwardly, you create a foundation of trust. This trust is essential for any relationship, but particularly pivotal when the relationship ventures into the vulnerable realms of sexual intimacy. For example, consider the dialogue around sexual positions. Instead of hinting or assuming, discuss openly the positions that you find most stimulating or that you believe will enhance her pleasure. This could be exploring the depths of intimacy through positions like the slow dance, where your bodies are closely aligned and movements are gentle and rhythmic, allowing for a deeper emotional connection as you both navigate the physical space. Or perhaps discussing the merits of the butterfly position, where she might find the perfect angle for deeper stimulation, leading to more intense orgasms. By discussing these openly, not only do you enhance your sexual experience, but also deepen the trust and connection between you. Moreover, Stoic communication is not about manipulation or coercion. It's about fostering a genuine connection that naturally evolves into intimacy. This involves listening as much as speaking, tuning into her desires, and responding to them with respect and consideration. It's about creating a safe space where both partners feel valued and heard. When you communicate in such a way, you're not just sharing a bed, you're sharing a journey towards mutual satisfaction and pleasure. In practical terms, communicate your desires without ego or pretense. Be willing to discuss what excites you, ask about her preferences, and explore how you can both derive pleasure from being together. This might mean initiating conversations that delve into what fantasies she might want to explore, ensuring that when you do come together, every touch and every kiss is laden with mutual understanding and desire. By embracing Stoic principles in your communication, you not only make her feel sexually desired but also emotionally respected. This dual connection, where she is not just heard but genuinely understood, can lead to a type of intimacy that resonates on all levels, making the sexual experience not just about physical pleasure but about a profound celebration of connectedness. Here, every moment, every touch, becomes a testament to the strength and sincerity of your bond, making her desire you all the more, not just for the pleasure you provide, but for the emotional sanctuary you represent. Emotional independence. In the pursuit of intimacy, a key trait that enhances one's attractiveness is emotional independence. Rooted in Stoic philosophy, this ideal champions the notion of needing little from others to find contentment, which paradoxically makes one more desirable. Emotional independence isn't about detachment. Rather, it's about possessing a self-sustaining source of happiness and fulfillment that doesn't rely solely on your partner. This section explores how such independence can not only increase your allure but also make your partner more eager for deeper, more meaningful intimacy. Emotional independence means you approach relationships not out of need but out of desire. You're not there because you need someone to complete you, but because you choose to share your completeness with them. This mindset is incredibly attractive because it frees both partners from the burden of fulfilling all each other's emotional needs. In a romantic context, this translates to a relationship dynamic where pressure is minimized, and pleasure, both emotional and sexual, is maximized. This kind of independence enhances sexual intimacy by demonstrating that your desires are a choice rather than a dependency. It allows you to engage in sexual encounters with a sense of fullness and presence, rather than neediness or insecurity. When you're not emotionally needy, you can give yourself more freely and passionately, which can be intensely attractive. Your partner feels wanted, not needed, which is a subtle yet powerful distinction that can fuel desire and passion. Moreover, maintaining your sense of self in a relationship contributes to a dynamic where intimacy does not equate to possession. It allows for a balance between closeness and personal space, fostering a healthier, more vibrant sexual relationship. For instance, the ability to enjoy time apart without insecurity enriches the time spent together, making it fresh and exciting. Each encounter becomes an exploration rather than a routine, with each act of intimacy reflecting a deep, personal connection rather than a habitual response. In the bedroom, this principle might manifest in more explorative, spontaneous sexual experiences. Being emotionally independent means you're likely comfortable discussing and exploring fantasies without feeling threatened or overly vulnerable. This could lead to experimenting with new positions, scenarios, or even controlled power dynamics, such as those found in consensual dominance and submission play, which can be thrilling and can deepen trust and connection. Emotionally independent individuals are able to articulate their needs and boundaries more clearly, which is essential for healthy, satisfying sexual encounters. They are less likely to feel resentment or frustration because they communicate their desires openly and respect their partner's desires without compromising their own integrity. This mutual respect and understanding are likely to increase sexual satisfaction and emotional connection. Thus, by embodying the Stoic ideal of emotional independence, you not only enhance your own life but also bring into your relationships a richness that invites deeper, more fulfilling levels of intimacy. It makes you a partner who is both desirable and deeply satisfying, someone who adds value to the lives they touch without ever becoming a burden. Conclusion. As we've explored today, Stoicism isn't just a philosophical guide for enduring life's challenges. It's also a powerful tool for enhancing your intimate relationships. By mastering self-control, practicing authentic communication, and maintaining emotional independence, you not only increase your desirability but also enrich your connections, making every encounter more fulfilling and electric. These Stoic principles don't just make you irresistible, they transform you into a partner who is both passionate and profoundly connected. Remember, true intimacy is about more than just physical connection. It's about building trust, respecting each other's space, and connecting on a deeper emotional level. Each of the techniques we discussed today is designed to enhance not only your physical closeness but also the emotional and psychological bond you share with your partner. This holistic approach ensures that the intimacy you experience is not only satisfying but also sustainable and enriching. If you've found value in this video and want to dive deeper into how Stoicism can transform other areas of your life, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Join our community for more insights and strategies on living a more fulfilled, Stoic life. Your engagement helps us grow and continue to provide you with content that makes a real difference. So like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments below, and share it with someone who would benefit from these timeless lessons. Together, let's cultivate not only the art of attraction but also the art of living well. Thank you for watching, and remember, the path to desire isn't through mere attraction, but through a deep, resonant connection that's rooted in respect, understanding, and genuine affection. Here's to living a Stoic life, not just in solitude but in the shared joy of profound, meaningful relationships.